all. I am Vaibhav. Today I am going to present my topic on India's achievements from 1947 to 2000. In this PPT, the contents are Introduction, India's achievements, and the conclusion. Introduction. India is well known for the most tigers in the world. Statue of Unity, invention of chess, garam masala, world's highest grounds, and etc. 1947, India got its independence, which is a huge achievement. 1951, India has hosted the first ever Asian Games in New Delhi. 1969, ISRO is established, which sent so many satellites to space, which is now orbiting around the Earth. 1974, India has tested the first nuclear bomb. 1975, India launched its first satellite named Aryabhatta. 1983, India wins first Cricket World Cup. 1987, India has hosted the World Cup. 1991, India's economic opened the doors for free trade by foreign investors. 2000, new states are created. Conclusion. India has accomplished so much in science, technology, medicine, and space. It is the world's largest democracy. It has one of the 7 wonders, Taj Mahal. I used Indian expresses as the references. Please raise your questions or queries. Everyone is free to. I thank Principal Sir, School Management, Sastri Sir, and Abhirami Ma'am for giving this opportunity. And thank you.